Okay, you guys, I got the phone call that my club will be opening up again, so I'm here at Target just to get some essentials for work. So yeah, let's go get some things. All right, you guys, just walking into Target, just gonna get a few things. I would literally live at this store if I could. I always like to get me an iced caramel macchiato before I start shopping because, you know, gotta have your shopping fuel, your caffeine fix. So here are just some cute little makeup bags. You can use them as money bags too as well. But yeah, those were pretty cute. They're only $5. So here I'm just getting some makeup wipes. I like to keep makeup wipes in my bag at all times because you just never know. Plus, at the end of the night, I just kind of like to take my makeup off and then head home. And when I get home, just take my shower and go on about my night. And here are some eyelashes. You know, I gotta have my eyelashes. I got some naturals and some double up Ardell lashes. Those are just the ones that I like to use, and they're pretty affordable. All right, here I'm just getting my feminine spray. Gotta stay fresh. I've never seen that scent before, but I'm gonna get it. Go ahead and try it. All right, here I think are just like individually wrapped feminine wipes, and I like to keep them in my purse or in my money bag because each wipe is individually wrapped, and it's just very convenient for when you're on the go. Here are just some of the tampons that I like to use. I like using organic tampons. I don't use those other tampons anymore, like Playtex and Kotex and whatever Tex. They're just so bad for you. Do your research, girls. Upgrade your tampons. Yeah, for sure. You won't regret it. Promise. Organic tampons all the way. So here, I need to get some razors for my bag for work. I usually just keep it in my locker, but I like to get this one, the Schick Intuition, because all you have to do really is just wet it and it lathers up. There's like a lathering bar on the actual razor. So I feel like it's just really convenient for me to get those razors. You can literally just shave like in the sink if you can. I don't know. They work for me. Here I'm just gonna grab some hand sanitizer. I like to get like a little bottle just for my money bag or just to like have on me at all times, I guess. And then I'm just gonna keep one of these bottles in my locker. Can never be too safe. So here are the dryer sheets, which I use to keep my outfits smelling so fresh and so clean. I mean, I don't really get a specific brand. I just try to find like the cheapest one. And those are $2.99. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Bounce dryer sheets and throw them in my basket. So yeah, I'm just trying to think of what else I need. And of course, you gotta have some baby wipes because you never know. Just make sure I show you guys everything that I got. So yeah, I got these dryer sheets, these Downy Unstoppables to keep you know, your bag smelling fresh. I got some Germ-X. Sorry, my nails are so gross. I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow because they're looking kind of crust. Intuition shaver. I just always like to keep this in my bag or in my locker just in case, you know, I need a little quick touch up because, you know, you can get a little hairy sometimes. You gotta keep it nice and tidy. And then I got these Summer's Eve wipes. I'm going to start keeping them in my money bag just because I think it's just so perfect, you know, just for on the go. I got hand sanitizer, my baby wipes to make sure everything is staying fresh down there, as well as the spray. And then I picked up an extra foundation. I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I pack all of this, organize my bag. These smell so good, by the way. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for my dancer bag, but I wanted to show you guys these moisturizers that I got from Sephora. It was a part of a birthday gift, but they smell so good. I just love anything that smells like summer right now. So this one's actually my favorite, the Coco Cabana Cream. Oh, it's like summer in a jar. Smells so good. But yeah, if you guys can get a sample of these, I would definitely try it out. I love moisturizers, so yeah, those are like my two favorites right now. But I also wanted to show you guys real quick just a couple other things that I picked up. My favorite products so far this month. My sister-in-law actually told me about this, and it smells so good, and it just makes my hair feel just rejuvenated. If you have really dry, frizzy, or like damaged hair, I think you guys would really like this. So far, I like it a lot. So Olaplex is definitely a favorite. Also, I actually found this at TJ Maxx. It was $5.99. It's originally $8. I've never seen this at Sephora though, unless I just never really paid attention. But I've tried it twice already, and I have tape-in extensions, so dry shampoo is a big thing for me right now because I can't really wash my hair that much. I think this is by L'Oreal. Yeah. And it's pretty pricey. I think it was like $25 or $30. I barely started using it, but again, I really like it. Like, I'm loving it so far. I like to do it before I do a blowout, or even after I just take a shower. I like to just put it on my ends, and I feel like once it's dry, my hair looks so shiny. I would definitely try this. It is on the more pricier side, but I actually used to have this perfume, but I've never seen it in a body fragrance mist or a body spray. I saw it at TJ Maxx. I was like, I definitely have to pick it up. Right, another favorite of mine is this Sephora lip liner. It's very, very creamy. I love it so much. It's retractable, and I like to use this to outline my lips. I think it was $12. I think it was like $12. I wasn't sure, 11 or 12, but with tax it came up to 14. Next, I actually mentioned this in the previous video. I got this off of Amazon, and it's just a face fan by Tony Honey. I can't really remember how much I paid for this, but I've been like using the crap out of this lately. Go for it and get one. It comes with like a cute little stand and a charger, so it is rechargeable. Tony Honey. super cute. So I recently been very puffy lately. I don't know if that comes with getting older or whatever the case is. But yeah, my face is really puffy when I wake up, especially my eyes. So I bought this jelly, basically like a depuffing mask. So if you guys feel like you wake up really swollen in the morning, I would definitely recommend getting a face mask that you can keep in your freezer or refrigerator, or in your cosmetic refrigerator. Yeah, I just recently bought a cosmetic refrigerator. I've always wanted one, and I found one at TJ Maxx, which is actually one of my next favorites. So before we get to that, I am in love with the rose oil right now. It smells so good. It's like aesthetically pleasing. I love the little rosebuds inside. I actually went to TJ Maxx yesterday, I think, to see if they had any more of this, and I did not see it, which was kind of sad. So like now I'm gonna have to either try to find some of this online. It doesn't have to be this particular brand. I've been slathering it all over my body, and it was $7.99. Maybe you guys can find it. I kind of spilled some of it, so that's why it looks all oily. Like I said, I've been using and abusing this. This quarantine has definitely made me have a little more self-care. So that was, I don't know if that was every girl this quarantine, but I feel like there is definitely more self-care involved, because when you're working and you're on the go and you're just so busy, I feel like you just don't have that much time to pamper yourself. So I'm going to take you guys into my restroom real quick, and I'm going to show you my new cosmetic refrigerator. Okay guys, so this is my new cosmetic refrigerator that I found at TJ Maxx. Don't have much in there just because I just got this. So I just keep my retinol serum in there, just all like my face oils and my tea tree oils and eye mask and face masks. So that's kind of just what I keep in here. I have my Peter Thomas Roth mud mask in here. I also have some rose quartz. Sometimes I put them on my eyelids. So I'm going to go ahead and put my rose oil back, and then my depuffing mask, and just put it in there for when I need it. I just put my new moisturizers in there, and yeah, that's my refrigerator. I will put a link down below of the brand. It's a UK brand, and they have an Instagram page, so I will be sure to link it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.